beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is what is coming next in this week for you, friends. Yes, for the week of 20th July to the 27th of July. Yes, friends, this is a charms reading. Like always, here's my bag of charms. Please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, and do click the bell icon if you haven't already. And if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. Many angel blessings. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Even though it is for this week, you can come again after this week to see what happened, and if it resonated. Many people come and do that. They tell me how it resonated perfectly. So thank you for that. And friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. So let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1. This beautiful whale. This is beautiful. Option number 2, the beautiful ducklings. Duck with the ducklings. So cute. Option number 3, this beautiful tiger. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section, so let me know. You can directly go to the timestamps and choose your pile, or you can also watch the entire reading, friends, because it is for this week, so you know all of them will resonate in some way to you. So let's see, for those who chose option number 1, this lovely veil. Let's see what is coming for you this week. Sorry if my throat is a little. I have been doing a lot of readings, friends, so my throat is a little sore, tired. So yeah, let's see. Excuse that, okay? So for those who chose option 1, let's see how this week will be for you. Romance angels messages, your guidance for this week, advice for this week. Let's see your messages. Wow, the page of rods, the 8 of wands, the strength. This is beautiful. The wheel of fortune in reverse. That's interesting. And the king of pentacles. And number 7, to the sea. I hope you can see the cards. And imagine, number 20. I am getting the John Lennon song Imagine. Go to Google and type Imagine word and Imagine song. I think you can get the lyrics from there. It's an English song. Wow, friends. I think I think this is a powerful week for you, because you know you are going to gain, because you chose the whale. Whales are also very powerful. They are very spiritual, friends, and and this whale is very happy looking and very cute also. So I feel definitely you are going to get powerful in some situation in your life. I feel right now currently when you are watching this reading, you feel like luck is not with you. You feel like things are not going in your favor. You feel like, you know, things are waiting and slow. Things are not coming towards you. Even whether it is in love, whether it is in career or money, you definitely feel like things are not going your way. This isn't your time. But I think this week something is going to shift for you, because this is a strong week. We start with the new moon on the 20th. There's a new moon in Cancer, and there is also the sun is opposing Saturn also. So you know, on the same day, so it's quite a big day for all of us. And also the sun will shift into Leo energy. So I definitely feel Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important. So maybe some of you are Leos, you have a birthday coming up, or you know someone, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or you could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I definitely see, friends, that your luck is about to change. And I feel like this, you right now feel like things are slow and stuck and nothing is shifting. I think you feel a bit left out. There is also the card to the sea. So you feel like, you are being left out, or things, you are being left out of. In love, in career, I feel, you feel a bit left out. You feel like things are not going your way, but as the week starts, you will find some inspiration, some hope, some joy. Definitely this week is going to inspire you, and I definitely see that some sort of news or messages are going to come which will bring some pace, which will bring some happiness, some relief to you, friends, and it will turn your luck, definitely. I think this week in July is to remind you that you have the power to change your luck, friends. And I think that is superb. You do not need to rely on luck because you have the power in your hands. You also have strength card. So are you having some health issues, or you have like worries? Will if I move, if I travel, because of the world situation, will my health be okay? I think so, yes. I think so, yes. If you have any current health issues or money issues, you are definitely going to rise above it, friends. You are going to find the justice in it. You are going to get stronger, braver, and happier in this week, definitely. Let's talk about love. I feel there is a connection between Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and you, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and our viewers, and things are not going right in this connection. Maybe you guys have broken up or you are not in contact. We'll also see the charm, so don't worry. I feel like things are not moving. You guys are not in contact, or maybe you are fighting or something. Things are not going properly in this connection, and I see this person is missing you. They are thinking about you. You both are missing each other. I think this week there will be messages coming from your person towards you, or you will try to message them, and I think this will lead to some form of healing in your connection or healing in your heart. Even if this person even if you are single, friends, I see definitely you making some new friendships, and you taking the initiative of making some new friends. I see that you are going to on social media and starting a conversation or saying a hi, hello, how are you. So some good friends are coming your way, and someone from your past may also be coming towards you. I definitely see someone from your past is also coming towards you, a past friendship, a past colleague or a boss. Someone wants to help you out. Absolutely. I also feel you may face some issues with your father this week, especially if you are a woman. Your father, your father-in-law, like, you may not get along with them because this is an emotional time, or they may not get along with you. So or you may talk a lot with them, or they may talk a lot with you. So that is there. If you are married, I definitely see more conversations happening, more, sexual chemistry is there if you are married, absolutely. If you are single, I see you taking the initiative to make new friends, to talk to new people, even though you miss someone from your past, but still you will try to make some new friendships or something like that. Let's talk about work. I feel in work you are going to really recover from something. Something is bothering you right now regarding your work, whether it is money, like money is not coming in, or you feel like so no one is helping you, there is a lack of support. So I feel someone is going to help you this week, or some messages are going to come your way, news messages regarding work, money. Definitely some work you had done in the past will bring you money this week. And I think you are working currently on something, like you are working on a project, or you are working on a life goal, or you are learning something new this week. So it will bring you a lot of excitement, happiness, and it will also bring you a lot of courage. You will feel like, yay, I can do it. And I think imagine is also here. So anything you can imagine this week, you can achieve it, friends. That is what is angels trying to tell you. You do not have to doubt your luck, because you are the luck, friends. This wheel of fortune is like, it is not reversed, it is straight for you, but I think you are not seeing it. You are relying too much on, like, oh, my luck is not working, if I do this it will not work this way, if I do this my luck is bad. So don't do that thing, friends. Imagine, and if you can imagine it, you can achieve it. So this is a powerful week for you, friends. Absolutely. Some of you will actually be getting a degree or a scholarship regarding your career or your education. I definitely see in your work you may get promoted, or you may have to do your seniors work or something, because I think you are capable and you deserve that work also. So there may be some issues between senior juniors, even if you are a student. But I definitely feel you will come out of it stronger. No matter what you choose, you will be stronger. Even there may be some debate or some conflict. I do not see it as conflict. I see like so many people want to talk to you this week, friends. Lots of people want to talk to you, whether it is your friends or new people, or some on social media, like people talk a lot these days. So you may just end up talking a lot with someone or at your work, but it will lead to something good. It will bring you some knowledge, some wisdom. I see money coming your way. Some of you are really worried about money or career. Friends, it is coming your way. Let's see the advice for you for this week. A new start is coming, a new moon, and oh my god, a new moon is definitely, we are starting with a new moon. So, friends, Imagine is also here. So, see, luck is with you. You just need to set your wishes and start working on it. And yes, this is a good week for you, and you are strong. Believe in yourself. Let's see your romance angels messages. Give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. Yes, friends, I told you someone is missing you from your past, or some new person may be coming in, like a friend, or maybe your senior or junior likes you. They will tell you that. So some sparks of love may fly in through work, or through your where you study or study with someone, and someone from your past really wants to work on a connection. So yeah, let's see your chance, so we can get more guidance about this. Oh my god, yeah, I just bumped the camera, so that was why I was a little careful. For pile number one, how this week will be. For pile number one. Wow, you have a lot of letters. See, health of your heart. I told you, you are worried about health issues in some way, either your health or a parent's health or a partner's health. I think it's going to be fine, friends. You have the strength card with you. So let's see your letters first. C is important, E, S, and L, and A, and E, and G. Wow, can you make a word out of this? Algae? I don't know, algae. Maybe algae. I don't know why I get that. Maybe some of you are biology students, or you are going to study biology or something like that, or maybe something related to health like nutrition or something, or you are going to learn something new and it is going to bring you success. Age, maybe you are worried about your age, your health, or something like that. Also, cage is here. Cages, you want to free yourself, friends. You want to really free yourself. You don't want to be in this down on my luck energy. I think you will not be, because you have the new start is coming, so you are going to find a relief. You are no longer caged. And CAGEEL, LEES is important. So Ellie, or I don't know, if I can't make any names from it. You can try them if you can. You have the yellow card, so it is about staying positive, friends. Stay positive, believe in yourself, you can do it. Number 25 is important. Maybe age is also here, so maybe someone is 25, you are 25, or it's a date important to you. You have the strawberry, so I feel you should focus on what's working for you, and little happiness in life. I think you have a lot to be sorry friends, you have a lot of things to be happy about, so try and focus on that. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important to you. You have the fish here, I hope you can see. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, it also means emotions are high. You have the owl, so definitely you are very intelligent, you are very wise, you have all the wisdom that you need, and you have the star. So yeah, new start is coming, your wishes are going to come true. This is like the snowflake. So yes, if a snowflake lands, like if a raindrop lands on your cheek, it is good luck, right? So it is good luck. And you have the peacock. See, you are shining, friends. Oh my god. You have to believe in yourself, friends. Do not doubt yourself. You are very strong, you are very beautiful, and people are watching you this week. You are the peacock. Everyone wants you. Giver, see, you are very giving. You are extremely giving. This is the time you receive, friends, and believe me, you are going to, maybe not in this week, maybe in the coming weeks, you will see the results of that, but you need to start believing that yes, I deserve this and it's coming my way, whether it is love, marriage, proposals, work, career, money, whatever you want, it's coming. Six of coins, success at work, money. Tiger, I think tiger is also the last pile, so maybe pile number 3 you should go and check it, because you have the tiger. I also feel you are like this strength card. You are mighty, believe in yourself, you can achieve it. Maybe something new is starting for you, or you have started something new and you're doubting it, whether you will be lucky or not. You will be, friends. Dreams are important. Nine of Wands. Do not give up, friends. Do not give up. You are very close to achieving. You have a new start coming. Don't doubt it now. Saturn, and look at this. You have the Saturn, and I told you in the beginning, Sun is in opposition with Saturn on 20th of July. So friends, I think that's going to be an important time for you. Be careful in your communications, and be like the owl. Be wise, but be quiet, at least on that day. And I wish you a very, very happy week. Let me know what happens ahead and how much it resonates. I think it's going to resonate absolutely spot on with all of you. So, because I can feel it, I can feel it. So yeah, please do subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share, friends, and do click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, join our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. And um, if you want to donate, friends, visit our website. The link is there. Thank you so much. This is Mystic C saying bye. So for those who chose option number 2, let's see how this week will be for you. If you chose these cute duck and the ducklings, this is so beautiful. The mama duck and the ducklings. They are lovely. Let's see, this is your advice for this week. This is your romance angels messages. I will also be doing the charms. Oh my god, I just bumped into the camera. Sorry, friends. That's the problem. I shouldn't get too excited while doing the readings. I keep, bumping into things then. Seven of Wands, the Three of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles. Wow, the Eight of Pentacles. Oh my god, 3 pentacles are already here. The World. Regeneration, number 46, and Treasure Island, number 9. This is interesting, friends. Let me just take a look. Wow, I see that this week you are working very much on yourself. I see that your focus this week, friends, is on yourself. more on working on yourself, on a project, or on a relationship. I see that. But most of it, I see that you are busy working on yourself, on some dream, on some goal. Maybe some of you are wanting to get fit, or maybe some dancing or something. You are learning some new dance, some new course like a hobby, drawing, painting, or some food skills like you are learning to bake or something, or you should try those things, I think, this week, because I see you working very hard on yourself. Like your focus is entirely on yourself, which is a good thing, I think. And I also see, since you chose the duck card, I see your family will be very important this week, or who is your family, or who wants to support you, who is with you, who wants to work with you. The theme of this week is you working on yourself, on your goals, on your career, and who is supporting you in that journey. So that is what you are focusing on. I see some of you may have ended a relationship recently, or someone has ended a relationship with you. Sorry to say that, friends, but I think in the past few weeks or last few months, you may have ended a relationship, or you are currently not talking to this person or not in contact with this person. I feel this person wants to come back this week towards you, or you want to completely change your life. I think I'm getting two messages. uh, I feel if you have an ex person or ex partner or someone you are not in contact with right now, this person wants to change things with you, and they want to come out of their comfort zone. They want to support you, and they want a regeneration, a reunion in this connection with you. But I think you may be in double minds, or you may focus on yourself rather on this person this week. I also feel like some of you may have ended a relationship, but you don't want to go back to them, so you are focusing on yourself. And I see someone at a distance, someone from another country or a city wants to talk to you. This could be a new person or someone you already know but have never dated, someone from New York, Canada, France, I don't know, some foreign areas, or someone who lives near water. This person wants to contact you, they want to talk with you, and I think there will be, they will want to work on this relationship or build a connection with you. For some of you, this is an entirely new person. For others of you, this is someone from the past trying to win you back. You may talk with them, but I see some of you do not want this past person, and you will focus on your work or some new person, new other friend, but not on them. You will resist this connection, like, go away, go, I don't want it. Now, why are you coming now? Because I think this person feels you are the treasure for them. They want you back, they miss you. They still want to make a chance and work things out with you, but you might not be very open to this person. You will focus on your work. You may say hi, hello, but I see you focusing on yourself. Even if you are married, I see that you will be working with your partner in redecorating your home, or buying some home appliances. I don't know why. Is someone's window broken? I don't know why I get it. Maybe someone's window or glass is broken, they need to fix it. Some appliances also you need to buy, or you will buy this week. I see that if you are married, you will be working more on your house, on your marriage, and I think you or your partner might be very busy with work, so you will have to take some time in managing everything. Even if you are married, I see some of you could be learning something new, or your work will be very busy. It will keep you very busy. If you are single, friends, if you are single, you are very ready to mingle. Absolutely. But you are very sure on who you want and what you want. You don't want anyone who is in double minds. who is not honest. You want someone who wants to work with you, support you, and openly talks and is loyal to you. And otherwise, you will focus on your work. So, this week, you are very sure of what you want if you are single. And there is a chance of people coming towards you and trying to regenerate things or reunite with you, but you are on your own island this week, friends. You will be very, very strong. In fact, your focus is entirely on yourself, which is a good thing. I think you deserve it. You being your own mother this week or your own father and taking care of yourself is very important. And you stepping out of the past issues. You are like, bye bye, nothing from the past. I don't want it. Don't bring it near me. If you are the same person with the same issues, don't even come near me. We'll see with the charms also, don't worry. If we talk about work, my God, you are on fire. Everything about work, money is on your mind. Some of you want to study abroad or go to a different city for work, but you feel what will happen, or should you or shouldn't you. I think someone is going to help you out, your friends or someone. I see you working a lot, very busy this week. Money will be coming because you are working extra, so extra money will be coming in. But I also see that at work someone may try to gossip about you. Sorry to say that, but I seem you have to fight. If you are going for a new interview or a job call, you might have to be bolder because the Seven of Wands is here. So be bold, be very strong, be what's the word? Wow, I forgot the word. What was I trying to say? So be bold, be bold. That's what is necessary. Don't give up easily. If it's a new job or if you are going for an interview or for a meeting, stand your ground, stand for what you believe. If you are a student, definitely new people are coming your way. Some of you could be graduating, moving away, or you have passed high school, so you will be joining colleges. You'll be very excited on that. You'll be working on filling the forms for your colleges. Some of you will be graduating from colleges and or finishing a degree or something and moving into the next phase. So you will be working on the finishing processes and moving ahead. It will make you very excited. And Treasure Island, so it's like money and some good news are coming. Some good news is coming if you are a student. Let's see your advice, then we're gonna look into the charms. The end of a tough cycle approaches, full moon in Capricorn. See, things are a little tough for you, I feel, especially in the past when you had this ending. You were a little sad, or maybe this week you may feel like some things you are saying bye bye, like graduating, moving into college, or moving into a new job, or you are leaving your house or something, changing, shifting, relocating. But I think it's a start to a very new and positive reunion. It's like regeneration. It's like your life is being made anew from this week. Let's see your romance angels. Let go of control issues. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. See, I told you, if someone from your past is, or someone you not talking with, someone who left you comes towards you, you will be very defensive towards them. You'll be like, no, no, I'll keep my distance. I'm busy. I'm busy, you see. So let go of control issues. You need to relax a little and cooperate with people. That's the word. Cooperate with people. So let's see, friends, what's your chance for pile number 2? How this week will be for pile number 2. Oh my God, you have a bunch of charms. Oh my God. A lot. I told you, it's a busy week, friends. So get ready. Relax, you have lots of charms now, and let's just cover them one by one. So the letters, let's start with the letters. F, A, E, O, and wow, F, A, O, and E. Yeah, that's it. And oh wow, the charms are stuck. I don't know if I can. Oh, sorry, friends. Apologize for that. Attachment. See, someone is very attached to you, or you are very attached to some person, but They might come back and try to win you again. Number one is here, a new start. You have the house, so yeah, home family issues are important. Home issues, family issues. You also have number 777. 7 is about, you have number 777 and also 77 and also 7. So maybe 77 is an age of a parent or something which is important to you. Also, you have number 7. So 7 is a mystical number. It is like owl is also here, something you don't know, something you are working on will resolve. This regeneration is going to happen, something will work out, even though you don't know how things will work out. The end of a tough cycle, things are ending, things may seem a little confusing, but I think you are safe, you are protected. You also have the umbrella, so I think definitely some of you may go out for a walk or something, or you will enjoy the good rainy season this week. I think it will help, it will, or someone may call you like for a walk or something, or a romantic date, who knows. You also have the locked heart. Someone has a lot of unsaid emotions for you. They need to talk with you. You also have the Holy Cross, fated, divine connection. You also have hello, I'm a bad idea. So yeah, see, you don't like someone this week. You are like, you are a bad idea. You are wasting my time. Hello, I'm yours. Oh my God, this person, yeah, there could be two people who want to try and win you, or they might be same people trying, like you don't like them, but they still want to be with you. I also see this greenhouse is for money, money coming your way. Oh my God, this is just some piece of paper. These are leaves, something you need to release. This is the world card is also here. You have this shoe, Cinderella shoe, which is coming true. You also have the pound. This is about you feeling cooperate with people. You may feel a little like, oh, why is everyone pushing me? Why everyone wants time with me? What's wrong? You may feel a little powerless. Moon, yeah, mood swings may happen. You may have intense emotions this week. Marijuana is here, marijuana, the weed. So, emotions are high, friends. Take care of that. Emotions are high. The lion, you are very strong. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Dog, loyalty. I think your hard work is safe. You have nothing to worry about. There is also this leaf. It is about growth, the Eight of Pentacles, things growing and developing for you. This bead is about, again, this is about emotions, keeping your emotions. This treasure island, finding something that wasn't known to you before, because this is golden. You also have the car. Some of you may buy some appliances, electronics, or you may need to repair or get something fixed in your car. This is about Mars energy, action. Let's see your cards. You have lots of charms. Busy week, friends, busy week. Kingfisher, luck is coming. Again, you got the luck charm. That's interesting. January is important for you, friends. Something may have happened in January. Two of air, and you also have two of pentacles. So decisions are coming your way. Some confusion regarding some decision. June is also important. January and June. And there is the Eight of Cups. Yeah, moving away from someone or something. Nine of Wands. You are sure what you want. You are not giving up. Nine of Cups. Wish is coming true. Ten of Wands. Again, Eight of Cups is like moving away. Ending has happened. I think it is the past energy. Keeping your faith. Don't lose your faith. February is also important. So you have January, February, and June as important. And Six of Cups, a soulmate connection, family, soul friends are important. A soulmate could return back to you. Two of Wands, definitely someone is maturing up. Prince of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. Time, yeah, time is important. I feel you are very busy this week, so you may not find time for yourself. Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Cow, mother yourself. I told you this is the week you will be looking after yourself like a mother or a father. You are like, I want my time. I am not focusing on anyone else, but you will have to because it's a busy week. Ace of Coins, something new will happen, some new messages regarding work or education. Mars, see, Mars bead, Mars energy, passion. Five of Cups, disappointment. Someone from the past is still thinking about you, friends. They might message you this week. USA is important. Some of you may want to travel to USA for work or for anything, or someone is there. So USA is important. So that's it for now, friends, for this week. Do subscribe, Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com. Friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. Friends, for those who chose option number 3, the beautiful tiger for this week, for the week of 20th to 27th of July. Let's see how this week will be for you. This is a charms reading. This is, friends, the advice for this week, the romance angels messages. Let's see. In the end, we are going to look at the charms. 9 of Cups. Oh my God. Wishes coming true. The Devil. Ace of Cups. The 10 of Cups. The 5 of Pentacles. Oh my God. The Page of Pentacles. Yeah, number 2. This is beautiful. I love the beautiful colors in this card. The Soulmate. Oh my God. 41. I want to cry now. This is so mushy, this reading. Oh my God. Right away I can tell you, friends, some wishes are going to come true this week, friends. Some of you have your birthday coming up. Maybe Sun is going into Leo, so maybe you are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or some sort of celebration in the family is coming. Some birthdays are coming, anniversary of your parents or your brothers and sisters. Oh my God. Some celebrations, or maybe you are going to celebrate some victory, exam clearing, or a reunion. I see you spending time with your family. Oh my God, I see a proposal coming, making you very happy. Wow, friends, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus is absolutely important to you this week, and a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. You could be these sun signs. If you are, this is a very important week for you. I think right now when you start this week, or right now when you are watching this video, you are feeling like very sad and left out. You are suffering, like no one is supporting you. You feel like no one is supporting you, or you were counting on support from some person, maybe a friend or a lover or a family member, but you feel like people are letting you down. You feel like people are letting you down. They left you. Oh, sorry, friends. I apologize for that. They left you. They rejected you. You feel a little sad. But I think this is of the past energy. Things are going to shift for you. There is this Page of Pentacle. I definitely feel someone is obsessed about you. Someone can't get you out of their mind, or you are obsessed about someone from your past or someone you love with. You are in love with. This person can't forget you. They love you. They want you. They desire you. And I feel this was a toxic connection. Toxic for some of you, like this connection was toxic in the past for you, but I feel there is going to be a major change or relief in this week, in this connection, because Ace of Cups, oh my God, friends, a new love offer or a renewed love is coming for you. I feel like if you know someone from your past, which you felt, which connection was not going good, where you both have blocked each other, hurted each other, left each other, said bad words, but you still can't forget them, there is a chance this person will come back. It will make you both very happy. You may be family friends or you have a family connection. They will make you very happy in some way or the other. Or there is a chance of a new person coming towards you, and it will make you very happy. It will bring you a smile, it will like, yay, finally someone is here. It's like we all are like in those times, where there is like, those old times where there would be no going out and no people coming, and you are like, where is my love life, where it's gone? It's here, it's coming, friends. All right. So if you are single, I think you might be obsessing. Like, why am I single? Why am I single? Why am I single? You might get a little obsessive about it. You might stalk someone. I think you are stalking someone. But I think definitely a new proposal or a friendship is coming your way this week, or you are going to feel very connected to someone, friends. It may not be someone coming towards you, but you feeling a connection with someone. But honestly speaking, I see someone proposing you or some sort of a communication happening for you. It will make you very happy. It is something which is very close to your heart. A family friend or something like this is like this is like coming together, you and this person, and you feeling, oh, finally, yes. I was not expecting this, so you feel a relief. Definitely, some of you have your birthdays coming up, or some celebrations are coming up, or maybe you are excited about this new love offer or this offer of love coming your way. I also feel if you are married, absolutely you could have a new connection, or like, you will fall more in love with your husband or wife. I see also that there is a chance of family expansion happening this week, or you planning to go out on a holiday, or maybe on a little picnic or something, or some family event you were worried about happens, like a baby or something. There is some celebration related to family if you are married. Absolutely. Let's talk about work. Oh my god, at work, friends, you are working very hard. You are slogging. You are this devil. You don't want to leave anything. You want to overwork. You may work all night, or you will be binge watching all night, working all day, binge watching all night. It might lead you to, it might make you feel very happy because, like, you are overdoing things, but it may also lead you to, like, feeling tired. So just stay careful. I also feel some new opportunity. You may offer someone a job. If you are a businessman, you may hire someone, or if you have started a new business, you may join a course or something, learn something new. Or if you, I think some of you will be learning about, how do I say? Some of you want to open a shop or something, a restaurant. I think you are going to be extremely lucky. You will find the right people to work with, or who can support you if you are looking for funding or money for your business or your um online channels or something. I think you are going to find that financial support. It is, I also feel like someone, and you may find someone whose creative ideas are very similar to you, so you will have a very beautiful friendship with this person, a work colleague or something. It will be like a family setup, or it will become like, over the time it will develop into a very solid friendship, even though it is for work, but it will be a friendship. But this person will be a workaholic, and you will also be a workaholic. If you are a student, I definitely see some of you getting proposed, or you going out to propose someone. I also see you celebrating more with friends, going out with friends, or maybe you are calling them at your home or something. Some celebration is happening. Something is making you very happy if you are a student. I also see that if you are a creative person, like a musician, a dancer, an actor, writer, poet, you feel very, very happy this week, very creative also, yin energy. You are very receptive to love and giving love and sharing love. So a lot of creative ideas and happy energy, positive ideas, those and creative people are coming towards you. So you gonna feel very pampered, very happy, like the Nine of Cups. It's a good week. Even though if no one comes, you are going to feel like you love yourself. I am my own sweetheart. No one can stop it. You are like the tiger. I love myself. Imagine how a tiger will feel if they are a person. They go and look into the mirror and they are like, wow, I am the tiger. Look at me. Look at my fabulous fur. Look at the patterns. So you are gonna feel that way. You're gonna look into the mirror and you're like, wow, look at me. You are in a little self-love this week, which is good, which is what you need to do. I think it's good, and it's gonna bring you love and romance. Soulmate 41, 4 and 1. So definitely number 14, 18, 19, 11 are important. A soulmate connection is coming your way, or you are being prepared for a beautiful soulmate connection to come ahead. I think it starts with you feeling happy and feeling positive. It may happen this week or in the coming weeks. We'll do the charms just in a second. Let's see your advice. It's time to take action. New moon in Aries. So we have a new moon in Cancer this week. So by the time I feel the new moon in Aries, I think it has happened already. Go and Google it, friends. I'm not sure. I think it has happened already. But I think this is about you taking action for yourself. It is time to take action. So you are going to meet some new friends, make some new friends, enjoy life, and look into the mirror and you are like, look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me. You'll also fall in love with a celebrity or someone you watch or binge watch all the time. Maybe they are a musician, maybe they are an actor, a singer, a composer, I don't know, a creative person. I see you watching a lot of things and being attracted to those people. You are like super amazing this week. Let's see your romance angels engagement. Oh my god. Oh my god, friends, this is my kind of a reading totally. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So absolutely, friends, someone may commit to you, propose you, or you may propose someone. If you have a crush, friends, they might talk to you and it will make you over the top happiness. Let's see your charms. I am super excited. For pile number 3, how this week will be for pile number 3. Alright. Oh my god, we have lots of charms again. And look what dropped. The hatch charm. You and pile 2 have lots of charms. See, number 1, you are the one for someone. Maybe this something will happen either now or within a day or within a month. Let me just keep it aside in case I roll it. And look at this. You have the heart inside which letter? In the letter of L. So maybe your person's name is with L, or this is about love. And this is the heart. Oh my god. This is beautiful. So let me just separate these letters, then I'm gonna start. Ooh, this reminds me of the exam Z. So maybe some of you are giving some competitive exams, or you are preparing for one, or maybe some of you will get admitted to some college without the exams. Like you give in exams in the college and you get through. Something about exam is there. You will get good news, whether it's a school exam or whatever, or maybe a professional exam. So the letters which are important are K, L, G, J, E, E, double E. The numbers are number 18 and 22. So maybe you are 18 or 22, or they are your birthdays. Let's see. Wow, you have lots of charms. The leaf is here. So I would say don't worry too much. You have this energy. where you feel a bit left out. So don't worry about the past, let it go. You also have two hats. Look at this cowboy hat. I think something is really going to surprise you, or you are going to surprise yourself by really being daring and taking action. Some sort of a gift is coming your way. The hat is here, some gifts are coming. You also have this yin and yang, so you could be dealing with the twin flame this week. You also have the feather. So messages are coming, divine messages are coming your way. Oh my god, you have the baby feet. Look at this. So some of you could be expecting a baby, or someone in your family is expecting it. Congratulations, that's amazing. You also have a unicorn, friends. Look at this tiny unicorn. Your wishes are going to come true. Oh my god, this is beautiful. You also have engagement. Maybe some of you are getting married, or someone in your family is. You have a heart. You are focusing on self-love. You also have the lion, you have the tiger. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person might be important. Parrot. Friends, you are going to talk a lot, or someone is going to talk a lot of talking, a lot of happy news, sharing between friends, wedding bells, some news and messages are coming. You have a lot of chance. Let me catch my breath. And still you won't subscribe, friends. This is so unfair. This is really unfair. I'm very unhappy. I do such amazing readings, but nah, you won't subscribe. Very unfair. You worry about the language. That's so unfair, friends. That's really unfair. The boot. I see that you'll be going places, or news from far is coming towards you. You also have the wind chime, so definitely US, UK, Canada, these areas are important. You also have the white bead. It is about peace, prosperity. You also have the cycle, so fitness is important this week. Or you also have another feather. So definitely you are going to find it is the similar one. So definitely a soulmate is coming your way, or a person who is quite similar to you. You also have the twin flame charms here, so someone could be your twin flame. You also have a butterfly. Positive changes are coming. You have a flower. Gifts are coming. You have this star. This is also like some happy wish coming true. Nine of Cups. You have the winged heart. Oh my god, this is a destined week for you, friends. I think something big is going to happen for you. You also have, these are some little beads which are not important. This is about luck, money coming your way. This is about release some past worry, friends. Don't focus on the past. Owl, stay patient, friends. Stay patient. It's time to take action. Sometimes you need to initiate, sometimes you need to receive. This is your week to receive, I feel. But you will still have to take action. Tortoise, be steady, be still. You also have another leaf. I told you not take action. Don't follow your intuition. It's about intuition. You also have what is this? What is this? What is this, angels? Oh, this is an elephant. Oh my god, it's a baby elephant. Friends, there are a lot of baby charms in this baby elephant, a baby feet. So yeah, some of you could be expecting a baby, or maybe you are someone's sweetheart, baby, a crown. Oh my god, a victory is coming, my dear friends. You have the crown. Can you see it? A victory is coming, friends. You also have another butterfly. Positive changes are coming. Let's see this. Neptune, yeah, you may feel a little confused right now also. Some confusions are there, but be patient, friends. Black, you are very protected, nothing to worry. Ladybug, luck is with you. Again, you have the Nine of Cups, friends. What's going on with you? And the Nine of Cups here also. Friends, you have to come back and tell me what happened. I think you will feel very happy whether something happens or not. You will feel like, yay, this is a good week. King of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Ten of Coins, family is important. Money is coming towards you from business, from family, inheritances. Five of Wands, yeah, some fighting has happened, some argument is going on. Nine of Coins, I think you have worked hard in the past, friends. All your past hard work is going to bring you money. Two of Air, this is about decisions. Some decisions will be made this week. Soulmate, 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 soulmate. Yeah, there's that. Eight of Ears, I think you will have to take a risk this week. You know, someone will offer you love, or you may have to propose someone. Take a risk, friends, go for it. November is important, friends, and you also have white, and you also have the white bead. So stay peaceful, forgive people. Three of Cups, again, friendships, celebrations, meeting friends, and number one. So that's it, friends, for your this week. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, where you'll go, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends. If you can also join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye.